Hi, it's Justin Costello with Marinemax Pompano Beach, your Sea Ray Superstore. Let's take a look at this brand new 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Got that quantum blue hull, brand new for 2020 with that beautiful gray stone interior, new for 2020. Got a freshwater shower, large sun pad on the transom that opens up to have plenty of storage under there because we do have the outboard power. So we got no motor under there. Walking through, notice that we have on the floor, first thing is that snap-in rubber SeaDek flooring. Feels great on your feet. We also upgraded the boat to have LED lights in the cup holders, and inside the boat we have a freshwater sink, white powder-coated sports tower with a midnight blue canvas, contrasts nicely with this color scheme. Notice all the hardware, grab handles everywhere for your passengers, table base in the cockpit. Then forward, we got 2 seats, Fusion stereo system, and look at this big 12-inch GPS screen. Also your engine monitoring and fish finder. We also upgraded the toilet on this boat to have the vacuum flush head with a holding tank. And then look how much they carry the beam forward on this boat. Tons of space. You get 4 or 5 people comfortably opposing seat with each other, and you won't even touch knees. You also got another shower right here, and under here is your anchor windlass system with controls at the helm. Again, it's a 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard for sale at Marinemax Pompano Beach, your Sea Ray Superstore. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.